Okay, today I want to talk about a drive center or a spur drive or a chuck spur or a tailstock drive center. They come in various forms, but they're basically rigid. They're designed to get stuck in the Morris 2 taper on your lathe driving side, and then a piece of wood comes up against it and it locks in and holds it and spins it, whereas on the other end of the lathe there's a ball bearing that's loose. And so this is a safety drive, spur drive, and that tip is kind of spring mounted so it doesn't go in the wood as far as it looks like it should. And this is the only one I really ever use. You can see it's got sap and wood in it and everything else, and I've used this a lot. These are more aggressive to use like on bark end of a big bowl if you're doing something. I don't use them because I don't need that much aggression, and it won't break loose if you get a catch, where this will slide and break loose if you get a catch. And then this one is considered a safety drive. Never ever used it. A tail center cup drive. So you would lock it in and it would, have some friction up against the wood, but it would definitely slide if you got a catch. So it's a little bit of a safety. And so these four are spur drives, live drives, not live, they're dead. Dead drives, spur drives. There's other styles as well. This is one that fits inside your 4-jaw chuck, and then when you clamp these jaws down it'll go tight up against it. And then it's got 4 prongs on it and a really aggressive point to hold the wood so it'll spin. And so if you didn't want to swap this in and out, it's easy to put this in, start your bowl, take it out, remount your bowl with your tenon. Here's another, this calls a chuck spur. And these all have 4 prongs on them. They have 2 prong, really aggressive drives as well, but you have a tendency you might split the wood if you're using something like a spindle with these. And then this one, once again, is designed to go inside the chuck, but it's got quite a bit bigger piece here that I would need to really loosen my chuck. So if somebody asks you what is a spur drive for your lathe, it's the solid end that goes in the motor end of your lathe that spins. Alright, well there we go. Thanks for watching. I hope that gives you a little bit of explanation about some of the lathe tools that we use. If you have questions, leave them down in the comments. I'm glad to do more videos about this. I love the comments. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and go tell your wood turning buddies.